That's what it's about. We are more powerful together. That's why the oppressors tried so hard to separate us. That's why they got these religious people coming in here attacking us. See what I'm saying? Not everybody in religion is asleep, and you got to know that. See, I'm open. Like it's much respect, but like we come here to help each other rise, help each other evolve, because we are each other. So however you treat your reflection, you ain't doing nothing but doing it to your damn self. That's how this shit is. You hear me? Because you cannot send out no energy and it's not and think that it's not gonna come back to you. You're doing it to yourself. See, I look at you as me. So I got to spread love because I love me. See what I'm saying? But it starts from within, not outside of you. Love ain't outside of you. Love ain't outside of you. It's within. If you got that interconnection, we are connected to the ethernet. See what I'm saying? You gotta be connected. It's about love, balance, high vibrational frequency. Love is the highest vibration. That's why the evil entities don't like love, because they be stuck on that low vibrational shit. See what I'm saying? They can't ascend into the higher realm, so they gonna hate on us and try to stop us from basically evolving into the higher dimensions. See, they only exist on the third dimension in love. See what I'm saying? They only exist on the third dimension. So they're going to try to keep you from evolving and ascending into your power. The haters. Why you think they hate? Come on, man. If you ain't got no haters, you ain't doing something. You ain't doing something right. That's how you got to look at that. I love my haters because they make me go harder and harder towards my evolution and towards loving myself. I love my haters, for they know not who they are. See what I'm saying? Ashe, the higher self. You gotta tap into your higher self, because your higher self sit high and look low. That's the God in you. That's who you need to let in and take the will. You know, a lot of religious people won't let Jesus take the will. No, you got